Kung naghahanap ka ng part-time job, additional income or side hustle habang naghihintay ka ng tawag for an item, I highly suggest na mag-apply kayo as an ESL teacher or English as a Second Language. Ma'am, what if mag-apply na lang ako sa private school? Is it also a good option? Yes, because magagamit nyo naman yung experience nyo doon and learning nyo once na naina kayo sa DepEd. However, the implication is matatali kayo masyado sa kontrata. And you know what? May mga cases, and nabasa ko to sa isang Facebook group, na kapag nag-breach kayo ng contract, meron kayong babayaran na penalty. As a matter of fact, parang nakita ko sa isang post na binayaran niya is 235,000 for the cancellation of the contract. And yung aking co-teacher din na umalis sa private school, nagbayad din siya ng around 30,000 pesos. If you don't know yet, I was a business English trainer for Japanese business professionals before for 3 years before I decided to apply at DepEd. And it also entails a lot of advantages. For example, you have time freedom. Pangalawa, mas malaki yung sweldo. Pangatlo, hindi ka masyadong tali. Pang-apat, wala kang boss. Ito yung mga ESL companies that you can apply. ACADSOC, 5-on-Talk, Rare Job, Native Camp, BizMates. I was in BizMates before. What else? Weblio, and the likes. Now, bago kayo mag-apply dyan, syempre, do some research about the company, yung mga students. At the same time, please prepare your technicals. Dapat pag nag-apply na kayo, meron na kayong ring light, meron na kayong PC or laptops, meron na rin kayong webcam, meron na rin kayong headsets. Sila pumapayag ng mga earphones lang. Dapat headset talaga. This one is Logitech. Now, kung naghahanap naman kayo ng recommendation for a webcam, this is my recommendation kasi sobrang ganda nito. 4K na siya. 4K resolution. And alam nyo, kapag mababa ang resolution nyo, minsan nagkakaroon ng penalty. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Sobrang ganda niyan, sobrang linaw. Unlike nung dati kong ginagamit na A4 Tech na 1080p lang. This one, the eMeet camera has 4000K resolution. So, sobrang ganda na niyan. Sobrang linaw na. See? So, habang waiting pa kayo ng item, explore nyo muna yung ESL kasi you can also hone your communication skills here and makakagain ka rin ng relevant experiences na hindi ka masyadong tali. So, like this video and share it to a friend.